session, we will be covering report profiles and groups. Report profiles are a means to choose certain filters for any report that you want saved, so you can run them quickly without re-entering the filters. The idea is that you can have multiple profiles, say a transaction journal for each provider, and run them without having to re-enter any of the filters. Report groups are groups of profiles, enabling you to run many profiles at once. We will start with creating and updating a profile. Profiles, as we have seen in previous sessions, can be accessed from any report window, simply by clicking the Profile button. Once you click that, it brings up another screen. This screen lists all the profiles for the report you are in. The Select button chooses the profile highlighted. The Update button updates the profile highlighted with the filters and ranges you have chosen. Cancel closes the screen. New gives you a window to enter a code and description. The best advice we can give is to code the profile descriptively. For example, for a daysheet profile for Jeffrey Linden, we could code it DS for daysheet, JHL for Jeffrey Linden's initials, and then describe it appropriately. Once you hit OK here, it creates that profile. Edit allows you to change the code or description, and deletes the highlighted item. Now, if we were to select this profile and then put in some ranges on our report, and then go back to Profile and click Update, we have now saved those ranges in this report profile. Now, if you create multiple profiles for multiple reports, you potentially could have a lot of profiles, and it would take you a while to run all your reports. This is where report groups come in. If you go to the Reports menu and go to Print Report Group, this brings up a list of all the groups. Print will print the reports in the selected group. Preview will preview the reports in the selected group. Cancel closes the window. New creates a new report group, and Edit allows you to edit the selected report group. From the New or Edit buttons, another window comes up. This window asks for a report group code, a description, and then there's a button at the bottom called Add Report. Clicking this button brings up a list of all report profiles for all reports. One by one, select the profiles you want to add to the group. To add another, you have to keep clicking the Add Report button. Once you have them all selected, you can say OK. If you want to ignore any changes you've made here, you can cancel. Or if you want to take one off, you can use the Delete button. And from here, you can see that a preview will bring up the daysheet for Jeffrey Linden, just like that. Using report profiles and groups, you can create multiple groups and print each group at a time, and end up with many filtered reports in a matter of a minute, just by doing some initial setup once. This is our most powerful reporting tool, and we urge you to use it. This concludes this session.